So first we're going to start by adding I'd say a tablespoon. My spoon is dirty. Forget it. Okay, this is for my face. Of Vaseline. This is for the makeup remover, you guys. So, and I'm gonna add in, first let me show you Vaseline. And this is actually cocoa butter, but the other one that's fine too. And then we have vitamin E. Yes, ma'am. Add in a cupful. This is the cheap one, so add that on in there. Stir. Got a piece of hair trying to get over in there. Stir that up in there. Just put a little bit of muscle into it. So I let it get as crazy as it can get. And it's dark. I just did a lip scrub, so make sure you go check that out. And I'm going to start using this on our face. Huge cotton balls. Keep you away. Must have. Jumbo. Dip it in. And just smooth it over your face. See that? Makeup comes straight off. And you can just keep this like in the fridge before you're gonna take it out. So that's how you can make a batch of skin lip scrub and makeup remover at the same time. And you just throw those away as you go.
Yeah.
Take off eyelashes. Oh no. I gotta grab something. Right back. I hope this camera is working. It just cut off on me. Just put it all over. All over. Over the lids. Okay, go wash it off. Be right back. Okay. And usually I don't get really too close up under there. I have really sensitive eyes, so I don't like to get like on the inside of them, because once things usually touch my eye, it's usually over. But this cream right here usually does it for me. Put it on, just strips it off. Put it on your neck too, or before you get in the shower. That's fine as well. But my skin is, and then it's not dried out or anything. But that's the way that's the reason that I make it that way, so your skin won't dry out. And then, excuse me. So when I'm done, if I want to do other things, if I want to put on a mask, if I want to do some toner, go in right now. But I will be making recipes for all those things. The recipes that I kind of have that I might want to tweak a little bit and put it on here so that you guys can use it. And if I do nothing, I can just go in. And right now, it doesn't feel too bad. Like, usually when I put things on my skin, it usually dries out right then. But I can just even go in with a little bit of this or the Vaseline just to replace the oil if I want to leave it this way till the morning. Yep. And make sure you just get all that baking soda off well. But this is a cheap, easy way for you to get some cleansing in your life. Okay? See? Cheap, easy, no problems. This is, need to do my eyelashes. Okay, you guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that you try this recipe. If you do, let me know. And it would have snatched those eyebrows off too, but like I said, I'm on YouTube right now. She's not doing all of that. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Sure you check out the other videos on this channel. Peace. Shalom.